Yeah, it was.
Alright, what is up, you guys? I am here with all my friends. Hey, what's up? And we're gonna do a FIFA unpacking, but I guess it's just gonna be me and Tony unless they want to pitch in. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's gonna be way more videos coming soon that have to do with FIFA, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace! Come on, don't be shy, Tony. First Premier Gold Pack right here. 150 points.
There's gonna be hella packs.
What? No,
that's trash. Alright. Mueller.
Oh, this is gonna be a good one. This is the second pack right here.
Oh, wait.
Isn't that good?
Nah, it's not. It's trash.
No, it's gold.
Nah, it's trash.
Kagawa?
Song?
Sorry. Good pick.
Hey, 86 pace. Not bad.
He's working that.
He's dope.
Nah, he's dope.
Third pack opening right now. Rudy!
Nah.
No.
Oh, wait.
Oh! Yeah, I was calling it. Fourth pack right here. Sergio Ramos.
You're gonna cut like some, no? Like the white one?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut some.
Oh.
Why you guys laughing? That's messed up. Here you go, you guys. My first one. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
No, is that bad? Yeah, let's get that. Here it comes. Dude, this is just a sad day for you. 11th pack. We have so many to go through. Oh!
Like this is a snake.
Come on. Dude, there's no way.
Alright, I'm gonna leave out my side. I'm gonna leave out.
No!
Yeah, I'll be dope.
I know. Just hit it and get.
Dude, he runs like this, so if you get him.
Yeah? We're coming down to like the 15th pack?
Yep.
Alright, here it comes. This has to be a good one. Hey! Tahin.
Tahin?
Tahin?
It's on my controller, so it's all good.
Cool.
It's good.
What number are you on?
Like 60?
Alright, here you go. Well, you have to show your face though. Here it comes. Ba-dum, ba-dum. This is the Allure touch right here, you guys. It's right here.
Yeah, it's world class.
No!
Worth $60 spending.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, the only thing haunting is that record.
Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ.
33, that's a dope record. I'm taking W's.
What's the record?
33-26.
This is it. This is it.
Oh, it is it. Bro, I thought it was gonna be like Jordi Alba. He's Alex Benson.
Oh! Oh!
No way.
Nah.
It's okay, I'm cutting these.
Nah.
Damn, bro.
Well, not. I need it.
Alright, good.
Oh.
Damn.
Dude.
We're not getting anything. Dude, I don't get it.
I see you doing something to Lord.
Oh. How many? Damn.
Dude, it's just a sad day.
Damn, bro, you see that team? It's just. Pew pew.
Casillas!
Rico.
Dude, we're running out of coins, look!
What's like
That's nothing now.
Ooh. Oh!
Oh, shit!
Wait, what?
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Who the hell is this guy?
Dude, I saw Lance and I was like, dude, it's gonna be a Robin.
Yeah, he
oh.
Where is he? We're beating Man City next weekend. When Jose
That's
posts
not
this,
happening.
we're gonna beat Man City like 3-1 or
That's
something.
not happening. Yeah, you
Just
called
calling
it.
I'm calling
You
right
called
now.
it.
Calling right now.
Oh.
A skip pack?
Yeah.
Ah, James, you owe me a Coke.
Damn,
these are
man,
scary.
come on!
No. Yeah, it was.
Yeah, this thing is what?
No way! What are the chances?
The last pack.
Yeah, the last pack.
No,
Right here,
last pack.
Right here.
Here it is.
Come on, at least give us the hope. Damn.
What was it? Draxler.
Roy?
Ah, sure.
Well, alright. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll keep you guys updated with what we do next. It's probably going to be more FIFA, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And please make sure to subscribe. Peace.